The Framework of the Paradigm of Complex Probability and Monte Carlo Methods by Abdo Abu Jaure. Calculating probabilities is a crucial task of classical probability theory. Adding supplementary dimensions to non-deterministic experiments will yield a deterministic expression of the theory of probability. This is the novel and original idea at the foundation of my complex probability paradigm. As a matter of fact, probability theory is a stochastic system of axioms in its essence. That means that the phenomena outputs are due to randomness and chance. By adding novel imaginary dimensions to the non-deterministic phenomenon happening in the set R will lead to a deterministic phenomenon, and thus a stochastic experiment will have a certain output in the complex probability set C. If the chaotic experiment becomes completely predictable, then we will be fully capable of predicting the output of random events that occur in the real world in all stochastic processes. Accordingly, the task that has been achieved here was to extend the random real probabilities set R to the deterministic complex probabilities set C is equal to R plus M, and this by incorporating the contributions of the set M, which is the associated and complementary imaginary set of probabilities to the set R. Hence, the probability in C is computed after the subtraction of the chaotic factor from the degree of our knowledge of the non-deterministic experiment. Consequently, since this extension was revealed to be successful, then an innovative paradigm of stochastic sciences and prognostic was put forward in which all non-deterministic phenomena in R were expressed deterministically in C. I coined this novel model with the term, the Complex Probability Paradigm, or CPP, which was initiated and established in my earlier research works. Moreover, this pioneering paradigm will be applied in a creative manner to the stochastic procedures and algorithms of the famous and historical Buffon's needle method to compute pi, to the renowned neutron shielding problem, and to numerous and various topics that arise in Monte Carlo methods. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.